In this video, we will be making 4 servings of Korean-style Gochujang chicken with rice. To start, we will need an onion, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. Roughly dice the onion, no need to be too precise. Crush the garlic cloves with the side of your knife to release more flavour. Roughly chop the ginger into smaller pieces. I'm going to add everything to this manual food processor because I'm going to need it for the chicken later, but you could also just chop everything finely instead. Process until finely minced. Add the processed mixture to a bowl and set it aside. Next, take 2 green onions and cut them into smaller lengths. Bunch them together and thinly slice them. Add to a separate bowl and set aside. For the sauce, add to a bowl 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, which is a Korean fermented red chili paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, optionally 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and also optionally 1 tablespoon of mirin, which is a sweet rice wine. Mix together and set aside. Lastly, we need some chicken. I'm going to make my own minced chicken using 500 grams of thighs because I find the supermarket chicken mince is too lean and tastes dry. Trim any excess skin, fat, connective tissue, bone, or cartilage you don't want. Then cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Add to the same processor and blend until it is minced to your desired consistency. Add to a bowl and our preparation is done. For cooking, I am using a carbon steel wok. However, this can also be made using a stainless steel pan or even a non-stick pan. Whatever you use, heat over high heat. I know my wok is hot when it starts smoking. Add 2 tablespoons of any neutral flavoured cooking oil like vegetable or canola. Then add the minced chicken. Spread out in a single layer to maximise surface contact. Leave it to sit without mixing for 1 to 2 minutes so that it can get seared. Once you get some colour on the bottom, add the onion garlic ginger blend. Stir fry everything, breaking up the chicken as you go. At this stage, some moisture will be released from the meat and vegetables. We want to keep cooking until all the excess moisture has evaporated and it goes from a boiling to a sizzling sound. This will take a few minutes, so be patient. Once you are there, add the sauce. Again, stir fry until the excess liquid has evaporated and the sauce is slightly caramelized. Then turn the heat off, add the spring onions and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then mix to combine. Taste for seasoning and add salt to taste. Then we are done. Set aside while we make some rice. Add 2 cups of white rice to a bowl. I am using short grain rice because it's more common in Korean food, but you can use another type such as jasmine rice. Wash with water 3 to 4 times and drain. Add the washed rice to a pot or rice cooker. Add enough water to cover the surface of the rice by about 1 to 2 centimeters. If using a rice cooker, just switch it to the cook setting. If you were using a pot, bring it to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, cook over low heat with the lid on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off but leave the lid on for a further 10 minutes. Then remove the lid and we should be left with some perfectly cooked rice. Evenly distribute the rice between 4 containers on one side. Evenly distribute the chicken on the other side. I also garnished mine with some extra green onion for presentation purposes. Allow to cool before adding the lids and storing in the fridge for up to around 1 week. To serve, just microwave to reheat and enjoy. Each serving contains 633 calories with 33 grams of protein, 90 grams of carbohydrate, and 14 grams of fat.